So some days ago, a lady reached out to me and she was so worried about how she was feeling, and when I asked her what happened, she said she could remember this feeling started after taking a medication, and she's been taking the medication for quite some time now. So what could have happened? She said, well, she remember taking this with ginger. That was all, and because ginger is natural, well, I know that was the wrong step she could have taken. So I said, stop the ginger tea. Immediately stop it. The next day she was feeling all well and okay again. So today I want to share with you set of people that should not be taking ginger, at least for some time. Even though ginger has a lot of health benefits and it has some healing properties, there are still set of people that can't be taking it, not until some things are over, right? So I'm going to share with you today those set of people. So if you love health tips that will help you overall health and well-being, then you are in the right place. So don't forget to click the notification bell and also subscribe to my channel to know when next I make another health beneficial video like this for you again. Now, my name is Marymath. I'm a dietitian, nutritionist, a health and wellness coach, and I'm also a natural health practitioner, and I help health conscious individuals like you to live healthy, live a sickness-free life, and reverse back health issues with the food they eat. The number one set of people that can't be taking ginger or should reduce their intake of ginger are those taking certain medications to treat conditions like diabetes or hypertension. Okay, because ginger may interfere with the medical effects of insulin in their body, and also according to Medical Service of International Institute of Health, ginger can also interact negatively with other drugs like antacids, like anti-heart medication, and also like antihistamines. Okay, so you need to be very careful if you're taking any of those medications. Number two set of people that should avoid taking ginger at some point are those having blood disorders. Now, ginger has the potential of stimulating blood circulation and blood flow, and it can also cause increase of bleeding. That's for those having blood disorders. So, and if you notice that you're having bleeding or at some point in a time, then taking ginger can be the worst situation or the worst decision you can even take for that situation. All right, so the best thing is to avoid taking ginger at that time until you are very, very much okay, to avoid bleeding or to avoid something that will make your situation worse. Talk about the number three. Let me know in the comment section below if you have ever had any issues taking ginger before. Maybe when you took your ginger, you noticed some kind of changes in your body, or you noticed some set of uneasiness. Please let me know your experience with ginger, overall experience, in the comment section below. Set of people that should stay clear of ginger are those people that are underweight or struggling with anorexia. Okay, because if you're struggling with anorexia or underweight, ginger might be the worst thing that you're even taking, because it will keep leading to more weight loss and poor muscle mass. But for those that are on big side, like those that are overweight, ginger can be very helpful because it's loaded with fiber and has the capability to boost the secretion of digestive enzymes and stomach pH level. Okay, and as well as suppresses appetite for most people. So if you're overweight, you can have ginger, but if you're underweight or struggling with anorexia, then you should don't even go close to ginger. Just leave ginger alone. All right. First set of people that should avoid taking ginger are pregnant moms. So if you have pregnant moms around you, or you yourself are pregnant, okay, pass this message across to your friends or families, and also do yourself good with the video. Okay, so because taking ginger as a pregnant mom can be very disastrous, because for those that are pregnant, if you take ginger, especially when it's not your third trimester, taking ginger between that first and second can cause premature labor, it can cause contraction, and it can also cause you to have miscarriage. So you want to avoid ginger at least until you get to your third trimester. Since it helps with contraction, taking ginger when you get to your third trimester can be helpful, and can even be very helpful with morning sickness and all that, but not until you get to your third trimester. Please don't go close to ginger until you get to your third trimester. 5 set of people that should stay off ginger are those that are having chronic heartburn and acid reflux. If you're in this condition or you have this condition, please stay off ginger. And if you know that you love ginger so much, just like someone told me some days ago, like I can't stay without ginger. If you are in the case like this, then you can take ginger tablets and you still get the benefit of ginger. But taking ginger roots or ginger tea can worsen your situation, so stay away from it. These sort of people that should stay off ginger are those always struggling with gas. Okay, if you know that you're always having gas issue, then let ginger go, and you too, you go your way, because ginger can worsen your situation at some point or another. All right, so if this video has been up to you, please let your friends and family knows about this. Okay, share with them, let them know that ginger can be beneficial to health, but there are certain people that should not be taking ginger, at least not until their system has balanced, or at least at some point. Okay, this video, they will really be helpful to them, and they will appreciate it. Share with them, let them know, and also give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below how you love to take your ginger, and if you have ever had any issues while taking ginger before. Until next time I come your way again, my name is still Marymath, and I talk health. Thank you.